wanted to rethink food and create something extraordinary. Introducing Fry. Carefully preserving color and texture permitted our most elegant model yet. We combined multiple incarnations of oil to create an all-permeating substance we like to call smart grease. Smart grease allows the user to know exactly where Fry is or where it has ever been. Fry, enhanced food for the modern world. But that's not all. Introducing Nugget. Nugget is what happens when machinery meets meat. When you look at Nugget, you see not the contents inside, you see the breading outside. That was intentional. Inside this advanced piece of food, we can examine the complexity that makes up this product. To change the way we experience chicken is to change chicken itself. Oh, and one more thing. Mac. We have refined and refined and refined basic ingredients. The sesame seeds on the bun are there because we put them there. The feel of the Mac is somewhere between firm and soft. The people who are hungry enough to eat the Mac are those who do.